The local Kololo people named it Mosi-oa-Tunya, the smoke that thunders. But we call it the Victoria Falls, the greatest known curtain of falling water. In the wet season, over 500 million cubic litres of water a minute crash over the basalt cliffs, and columns of spray can be seen from miles away. Livingstone called the falls the most wonderful sight he had witnessed in Africa, and it's a fitting tribute that they have been named one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. Adventurers from around the globe are still drawn to test their mettle on the Zambezi's waters. All in her dramatic gorge. And if you're not an adrenaline seeker, stop on Livingstone Island in the middle of the Zambezi River for a unique picnic right above the thundering water. Come and meditate on the sheer magnificence of this natural wonder.